let's get started. To prepare the Moroccan tea, we are going to need the following ingredients and kitchen tools. As for the ingredients that we are going to use, the first thing which we are going to need is gunpowder. This is gunpowder tea. It's called gunpowder tea, and it's called gunpowder because it looks like gunpowder. I think that you can find it everywhere in the world. The second ingredient which we are going to need is mint. This is mint, and I think again that you can find it anywhere in the world. And the third thing which we are going to need to prepare the Moroccan tea is sugar. You can either use the powder of sugar, or you can use the square pieces of sugar. This is another herb which I'm going to talk to you about. I'm going to talk to you about it later. For the kitchen tools which we are going to use to prepare the Moroccan tea, the first thing we are going to need are 2 glasses, and the second thing we are going to need is a teapot. It shouldn't look exactly like this one because this is a very traditional teapot in Morocco, but you can prepare the Moroccan tea with any kind of teapot. And the third tool which we are going to need is a pot that looks somehow like this one. It shouldn't look exactly like this one, but it should look somehow like it. The first thing we are going to do is that we are going to take this pot and we are going to fill it with water. Now that it is filled with water, we shouldn't fill it to the top. We should leave some space. And now that it is filled with water, we are going to leave it on fire for about 15 minutes, or till the water starts boiling. So we are going to cover it and leave it on fire till the water starts